Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the Realme 6 Pro for an update. Make sure the battery is above half and Wi-Fi is stable. Once done, back up essential data so you can restore settings if needed, because updates can occasionally reset preferences. Make sure storage has 3 to 4 gigabytes free. You can delete videos or apps quickly to reach that. Next, tap Settings, then Software Update. This begins the search for available firmware and initiates download when a new build appears. You'll see download progress. Let it finish without running large apps or downloads, because interruptions risk corrupting the package. Once the file completes, choose Install Now to begin. Alternatively, schedule a time if you need to use the phone. During installation, the phone will reboot multiple times. Make sure it stays plugged in and on Wi-Fi to prevent failures. If prompted, follow on-screen steps to accept permissions or migrate settings. Then wait until the home screen fully loads. Once the update finishes, you should verify the new build number in Settings right arrow About Phone so you confirm success. You should also test apps, battery behavior, and Wi-Fi or cellular calls to catch regressions early. Install app updates if needed. If something goes wrong, first clear the system cache partition and reboot, because that often fixes post-update glitches. If problems persist, make a full backup and perform a factory reset. That resolves stubborn issues while restoring a clean system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.